Now, coming towards the different types of the neuroglial cells, they are the supporting cells of the nervous system. These neuroglial cells are present in the brain and also in the vertebral column. The main function of the neuroglial cell is to provide the support to the neurons and nervous system. So they have local influence at the synapse or within the brain, but they have no role in the transmission or generation of the electrical signals. So they basically exchange molecules with the neurons. Like you remember, we will discuss it in the electrical conductivity module, that the different types of the ions like sodium, potassium, calcium are required for the transmission of electrical current, and these cells are responsible to maintain the concentration of such molecules. Then they also provide physical support like the skeleton of the nervous system. They keep the neurons at their fixed positions and hold them together, right? And then they maintain the microenvironment by allowing specific compounds from nutrients from the blood to enter into the brain, and removal of the waste materials from the brain towards the blood. For this, they also make the blood-brain barrier, that is a specific structure formed around the nerve cells that permits the only selective molecules to enter the brain to avoid any infection and any diseases in the brain, and also provide the immune system. If something by mistake enters into the brain, there are specific neuroglial cells that provide the immune system support, and they kill those intruders. Right, so let's discuss them in details. So basically there are 6 different types of the neuroglial cells. Here you see in the table, I have classified them into 2 columns, those cells which are present in the central nervous system, and there are 2 cells which are present in the peripheral nervous system. The cells which are present in the central nervous system, neuroglial cells, they are astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglia, and ependymal cells, whereas peripheral nervous system have only satellite cells and Schwann cells. So in the following slides, we will discuss these cells and their functions and their structure in detail.